Hello guys, so let's solve Leetcode question number 121. So in this question, they have given us a vector which contains the prices of a stock, and we have to find the maximum profit that we can obtain by selling that stock on particular day and buying it on one day separately. Okay, so let's try to solve this using the test case. So the test case that they have given, that is nums is equal to is 7 1 5 3 6 and 4. So when you read this question, what you have to basically find, you have to find the maximum difference between the numbers. So what can be the maximum difference? It is the maximum profit. Okay, so like in here the answer they have given is answer is 5. How this answer is 5? Because the maximum difference that we can, means maximum profit we can by selling the stock, will be when we will buy this stock on this day and sell it here. That is 6 minus 1 will be 5. So how will you approach this question? So okay, so this is a tricky question. Okay, so what you have to do first, we have to keep the track of first minimum, and for that minimum we have to see the maximum profit that we can obtain. Okay, so what will be my approach to this? For first we will consider the minimum, first minimal value. So let's consider that minimum value be the first term. Okay, first term will be the minimum, so minimum will be 7. And first let's see the maximum profit that can be obtained. So let's consider maximum to be maximum profit, so that can be obtained. So what will be the max? So let's consider what is the best condition that maximum would be profit, best condition. So the best condition would be like we buy this stock on first day, sell on the second day, and this will remain the maximum entirely. So this will be the best condition. So right, so it would be, so for us, let's consider max is equal to second term minus the first term. Okay, in any condition. So here let's consider it as minimal as 7, and let's consider the max is equal to 7 minus 1, so it becomes 6. Okay, now keep this. Now what we will do, we'll consider this as the next term, and it will be 7 minus 5, it will become 7, sorry, so 7. Okay, so it's minus 6, sorry. The next 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5 will be what, minus 2. It is the maximum, so we'll update it to maximum. Next we will do 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3, it will become, let's consider 7 minus 3, what is 7 minus 3, it's minus 4, so keep it as it is. Then 7 minus 6, it will become 1. Okay, sorry, minus 1. Now 7 minus 4, it will, so this is the condition. Okay, now we will move to the next one, we will move to 1, we will keep 1 as the minimum. Okay, so when we will keep 1 as the minimum, what will happen? 1 minus 5, we will, yes, we will not go backwards, we will only go frontwards. Okay, so for 1 it will be 5, so 5 minus 1 it will be 4. So now it was in, for the last time it was 7 minus 4, that was minus, okay, it was like minus 3. So but minus 1 will be minus will be a maximum at that time. Now this minus will be converted to minus 4. Now for 1, 3 minus 1 will be 2, but 4 will still be the maximum. 4 is still maximum. Now we will go to 1 to 6, and here we will see that it becomes 5, and we will keep doing this, but at the end this will remain the maximum. But what we have to consider, we don't want to do this in n square, we want to do it in n. So this was the logic behind the example. So now let's code it. Okay, so as discussed, let's start to code the question. So let's consider the first term as first. Okay, let's consider the first one as the profit. Profit profit is equal to the second term minus first term. Okay, so second term would be prices ith index minus prices zeroth index. Correct? Yes. So now let's consider a minimum term. Minimum price is equal to, what be the minimum price? Minimum price, we have first the first one. Okay, so that is prices 0. Now let's try to implement logic that we thought. For int I equal to 0 to I is less than uh, prices dot size, so that we could get the size of that vector and iterate this increase by one. So what we have to find? So okay, so let's first see that if the minimum is the still minimum. Minimum price is equal to minimum of what? To current price minus current price comma the I that we are iterating through, that is a price, prices of I. Okay, and let's see the profit of go is equal to max of the current profit that we have, comma the current index value of current index minus the minimum. The index prices of minus the minimum price. So okay, minimum price. Okay, I think that should do it. And then we would return profit. Okay. Okay, so see, I just passed the test because I had tested this once. Okay, okay, see, so it passes it now. Let's try to submit it. It will get submitted, I guess. Right, right, enter. Okay, okay, wait. So, what happens when if we consider that the profit as this condition, and if they gave us like an vector which consists only one element, then the first cannot be obtained. So let's do one thing. Let's consider maximum profit initially be little max. So let's consider the most minimum that can be possible, which would be like zero. Okay, and let's consider the minimum price as the maximum price that can be obtained. Maybe like okay, the maximum that C++ provides, that is int max, I guess. Okay, so yeah, so this should do it. Wait, int max, int max run. Okay, yes, so let's try to submit it. Okay, so yes, we have solved this question. Okay, so done. See you in the next video.